I make my grocery list. When I go grocery shopping, I don't choose to make grocery shopping a social event. I'm in and out of the store. I know where I want to go to get what I want to get. And the reason I know where I want to go is because when I make my list, now normally I'm doing this in my phone. So I've just started this list, but what I want to encourage you to do is to think about something. I want you to think about how a grocery store is designed. And once you think about how a grocery store is designed and you make your list that way, you don't have to go up and down every aisle in the store to get the things that you need, okay? And so when I make I make my list based upon where these products are. I don't care what grocery store you're going to. Generally speaking, most of the stuff is in the same place. They do stuff pretty uniformly. Okay, so you will typically find, for instance, here, sugar, flour, baking powder, baking salt, the spices, the vanilla flavorings, the chocolate and stuff like that. All of those things are typically on the same aisle. So, for instance, if you want butter, eggs, milk, cheese, juice, sour cream, stuff like that, it's typically right there in the cold section in the same place. If you just know that if you think about how a grocery store is designed, if you got to get stuff, you can get stuff in a hurry and get in and out of the store as fast as possible. This is Val Taylor signing off.